visions of you in shades of blue, smoking, shifting, lazily shifting, darling, I miss you so. Time goes by, no wonder why senses go reeling, your eyes so appealing, I see the whole night through. When we meet again, when will we meet again? When remember the days, beautiful days, tenderly gleaming, my whole life's seeming to start and start and end. Well, hi there pluckers, Ivor Saw-Things again with you with hopefully another interesting lesson. Classic song from Cliff Richard called Visions, circa 1966 I think this was. Standard tuning, capoed at the first fret, and I'm playing it with G, C and D type chords. It's the same key as Cliff Richard's original version. Okay. Right then boys and girls, let me try and show you how I played this song. Okay, so the chords in the song are relatively simple, they're all basic open chords. Okay, the trickiness comes in trying to play the rhythm whilst singing it. I find it's a very distinct quick waltz beat. Okay, so the chords in it are G, C, a D, a D7, an A7, that's an A chord with an open third string, yeah, and an A minor. Okay, those are the chords in the song, so they're all fairly straightforward chords. Now, as I said, the trickiness comes with the rhythm, trying to sing it and play the rhythm at the same time. And on the G, what I was doing was this. Okay, so what am I doing there? So hold the G down, a simple G or backwards G as I like to call it. Okay, you play the bottom E string, then the fourth string, then you strum the top three strings, then you play the fourth string, then the three strings again, and back to the fourth string. So it's like okay, so that's what you do on the every time you play a G, that's what you play. Okay, that's right. On the C chord, it's basically standard C chord. You play the fifth string, the fourth string, then strum the rest of the chord, back to the fourth string, strum top three strings, and back to the fourth string. Okay. On the D chord, you play the fourth string, the third string, strum the chord, play the third string, strum the chord, play the third string. So it's okay, got the idea? On the A7, same idea again. Fret the A7, you play the fifth string, the fourth string, then the rest of the chord, the top three strings, fourth string, strum the top three strings, fourth string. Okay, and the only other one, the D7 is the same as the D. So you play the 4th string, the 3rd string, strum the chord, top 3 strings will do. Then play the 3rd string, strum the 3 strings, top 3 strings, back to the 3rd string. So okay, and the other one that we haven't done is the A minor. Again, that is 5th string open, then the 4th string, 2nd fret, top 3 strings strum, 4th string, strum, top 3 strings, 4th string. Okay, and that's it. But the trickiness comes in trying to sing it at the same time. Okay, now the song starts off with 2 lots of G. So okay, so it's, and you keep going, and the first line comes in. Okay, so it's visions of D, you. Just 1 lot of D. Okay. Then you go to C, in shades of G, blue. Okay, got that? So it's from the beginning, just 2 lots of intro and I'll start singing, okay? So, visions of you, in shades of blue. Okay, now occasionally you're going to hit the wrong note, but don't worry about it. Just as long as it's, you know, it all sounds, you know, provided you've got the chord fretted correctly, it should sound okay. Okay, so because you've got to be pretty accurate with your picking. So once again, from the beginning, visions of you in shades of blue. Okay, then we go to C, smoking, back to G, shifting, A7, A, D, drifting. So far, 2 lots of intro. Right, here we go. Visions of you in shades of blue, smoking, shifting, lazily drifting. And it goes back to G, my darling, back to D, I miss you, back to G. So G to D, back to G on the end there, last line. Okay, so once again, from the beginning, 2 lots of intro. Visions of you in shades of blue, smoking, shifting, lazily drifting. My darling, I miss you so. And we go into the second verse. It's exactly the same to play with different words, okay? Time goes by, no wonder why senses go reeling, your eyes are appealing, I see the whole night through. Okay, and the only other thing we've got to learn now is the bridge section, or chorusy bit, okay, and that goes back into D, okay. When will we? So 2 lots of D on that, so it's when will we? And G, back to G, meter 2, right, back to D for 1, when D7 for 1, when G, then 2. Okay, so we'll do that again very slowly. When, sorry, just as where it comes into that C the whole night through. When will we meet again? When will we meet again? And on the last line it's C, when for one, A minor for one, when D for one, sorry, two lots of D on the end, okay? Then we're back to a last verse, okay? Okay, so that whole bit coming out of the second verse where it goes, see the whole night through. When will we meet again? When again, when last verse. I remember the day, beautiful day, tenderly gleaming, my whole life is seeming to start and end with you. Start and end with you. At that point, obviously, it changes key on the original Cliff Richard version. He goes up 3 frets up here. So obviously, I didn't do that. So basically, the song just repeats itself again in a different key. So just sing the whole lot again in the same key, I would. Yeah, it's you wouldn't really, I don't really want to show you that in another key with bar chords and everything, okay? So anyway, hope you enjoyed that. A nice, fairly simple song, but apart from the actual trying to keep the rhythm going whilst trying to sing it, not so easy. Alright if somebody else is singing it, okay? Anyway, thanks very much for watching this, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.